permission of the dignitary sitting on the dais. Myself, Dr. Manish J. Fancy, Chief District Health Officer, District Sabarkantha from State Gujarat since last 2.5 years. I am presenting here on behalf of the District Panchayat District Team, District Sabarkantha. Actual project is conceptualized and pioneered by our District Development Officer, Mr. M. Nagarajan, who is an IAS officer and 1 year younger than me. And it's a teamwork, not myself is the only part of it because UNICEF is also stakeholder. One medical college, Ahmedabad NHL Medical College is also stakeholder in this project. And one my subordinate, he is present, his Assistant Quality Assurance Medical Officer, Dr. Raj Sutaria. He is also part of this team. And actually one more thing I want to add, because of the Dr. Raj Sutaria and our District Development Officer, our one taluka, Khetpamba, is the first Wi-Fi taluka of the India in April 2014 during the election time. Before starting my presentations, I want to present that there are 3 events taken place before starting of these projects. First is, which I have to enumerate. First is my senior boss, means Regional Deputy Director, who is one higher post than me, is always narrate that in every meeting. If I talk about the only name of the National Health Program, State Health Programs, then it will take more than 1 hour. Only narrate the National Health Program names. First thing. Second event taken place in the Commissionerate office, in which our Gujarat Chief, UNICEF office, Gujarat Chief, told to Commissioner that our health system is just like compared with our hands, in which the role of the frontline health workers, multiple health worker, ASA and female health worker is just like thumb. Rest is the Commissioner, Additional Director, Joint Director, and last one is CDHO or RCHO. Okay, second point. Third point is, as I mentioned that there are too many national health programs, state health programs, each health program has a separate objectives, its special targets, its special indicators and special IC material, special registers and reports. And the delivery point is PHC level, primary health center level, which caters about 20,000 to 30,000 populations. And each PHC is run by PHC medical officer, under whom there is 5 to 6 sub-center, which caters population about 5 to 6,000. So at least 5 to 6 villages is sub-center. And each sub-center has a FHW and one multi-purpose health worker, which deliver the services to the antenatal care woman, pregnant lady, postnatal care, child immunization, adolescent health, other health programs, malaria related or TB related. But it is only possible that if the beneficiaries come to the sub-center and taken the services from the sub-center. But what's so far happened ki there are outreach sessions also organized in the health department. So first Wednesday is one session organized at the sub-center, second Wednesday, third Wednesday, fourth Wednesday, or if additional required, first Friday or second Friday, organizing outreach activities where she has to go and carry vaccine, register, reports, poster, other logistics, BP instruments, stethoscope, thermometer, weighing scale, all other instruments in her or his shoulders. Most of the time his willingness or her willingness to carry IC material in the field, but because of heaviness on the shoulders and too many reports, it's very difficult to carry in the field. So my district development officer think and we sit in the meeting that कुछ करना पड़ेगा इसके लिए कि इनका burden कुछ कम हो और we can easily get the data from the field, how many beneficiaries get taken advice or ICs displayed. And second point, beneficiary also benefited that this type of material is displayed and proper health education given to the beneficiary. So this project is Swasthya Samvedha Sena, is launched by our Honorable Chief Minister in September 2014. First of my district profile, District Sabarkantha is situated on the bank of the river Sabarmati, so considered as Sabarkantha. It's a high priority district recognized by the Government of India. It has a mixture of the urban, rural, tribal population and backward region, having population of the 25 lakhs. And talukas are 14, now divided into two districts, Aravalli and Sabarkantha. This is the profile in which PHC, CHC, district hospital, sub-district hospital. Main stakeholders is first is our district panchayat, there is the main partner, our owner, then technical support, UNICEF and NHL Medical College. For the health promotion, behavior change is the key role. Not all of the behavior change on the public side, but also towards the service provider, like female health worker or multiple health worker, which directly related to the improvement in the health indicators. This is the inauguration photo of the Honorable CM. Our goal is to contribute in reducing maternal and mortality ratio and infant mortality, because it's contributing directly or indirectly. We are not telling that directly reducing the infant mortality or maternal mortality, but it may play a role in decreasing the maternal mortality ratio. Objective is to empower the health workers digitally. As we are providing one tablet devices, it's touchscreen, so it's first time, and if we are living in the era of the e-governance, m-governance, so why should our health workers skip from this advantage of these tablets? To increase the skill of the health workers, that they are trying for mostly, I think more than 90% of the female health workers whose age is more than 40 years or 45 years is first time experience this touchscreen tablet and mobile devices. To facilitate health workers and Anganwadi workers to use latest technology, because material and information is all handy. It's only available on touch screens. Which material is available about the ANC, PNC, child health, adolescent health is available on handy at any time and anywhere. It increases the knowledge of the beneficiaries. And last one is to monitor IC activity district level. Mostly what happen at state level, they're demanding how many IC you have done. So we say that this type number of the hoardings display, this number of the pamphlet we distributed, this number of the banners we displayed PSC subcenter. But how much knowledge imparted, how much knowledge catch by the beneficiary is not judged in systems. So this is the objective. Concept it's a 7-inch Android-based tablet devices. Earlier we have selected Samsung mobile, but it's costlier one, so we try almost 17 tablets purchase. And after all, there is one ICE device which Rajasthan Royals cricket team utilized for its purpose. So its device is suitable for our Gujarati vernacular language, so its device is suitable. Software Android based, contains PPT, images, audio visuals available. Problem statement: health workers has to carry IC material on in hard copy, and all type of national health programs materials is always not available every time and anywhere. Incomplete information with health workers, sometimes he may bias in memory recalls, lack of scientific knowledge of the topic of the health workers, maybe forget how to hand wash when to ingest the IFA tablets, how to take OC pills. IC material is not updated regularly. There is also some problem. Assessment of the beneficiary was not done after the IC activities. Suppose we are given the education by आपको ये नहीं खाना है या आपको ये खाना है या फिर सॉल्ट कम खाना है, तो उसका कितना उन्होंने नॉलेज परसेप्ट किया है वो हम जज नहीं कर पाते, लेकिन इसके बाद हम जज कर सकेंगे. Unable to explain complete technique of the health activities, demo of the hand wash. Reporting of the IC activities was not done by health workers. Beneficiaries are our health workers, multiple health workers, and on the public side, service receiving side is the population, in which the antenatal care, postnatal women and children and adolescent health. Contents used in the mobile applications, 12 type of different contents they are utilized, and under each subhead there are the PPTs, videos are available. And this content is reviewed by our NHR Medical College. And impact evaluation study is also carried by. Whose first preliminary survey is done in February 2015. And training of the health workers also organized by the NHR Municipal Medical College. Is baseline KB study completed, first phase. And this is also funded by the UNICEF. Capacity building of the frontline health workers. These are the photographs in which our district development officers is taking lecture and open conversation with the female health workers. What the problem they face. कभी उसमें ये भी मालूम हुआ कि ये सब फर्स्ट टाइम डिवाइस आई हुई है, तो यूज करने में डर लगता था, हाउ टू ओपन इट. किसी ने ऐसा बोला कि सर घर में फैमिली में लेकर गए ये टैबलेट, तो बोले कि हमसे भी बड़ा मोबाइल आपके पास आ गया है, इट्स गुड थिंग. थर्ड, वो घर पे भी अपना बच्चे का भी या फिर किसी रिलेटिव का भी फोटो खींच सकते हैं, तो उनको भी, और उसमें गेम भी रखी हुई है, तो उनके बच्चे के लिए भी थोड़ा सा कम्युनिटी फंक्शन होगा. These are the photos. This is a screen showing the home page, in which there is a different adolescent age group, PNC, different type of categories is given, and each category there is a number of the contents is elaborated. This one is a neonatal care, in which how many times it has been shown to the beneficiaries is also elaborated here, shown here. Is 0, 0, 0. If they are shown this topic, then it shows the 1 green. If it is shown 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, then the number is increasing. After showing the PPT or videos, you can go for the question answer with beneficiary. How many questions he answer right? If it is right, then it shows the green signal. If it is wrong, it shows the red one. If it is skip, then it shows the yellow one. So after this completion of the question answer session, you can score it which answer, which question is not pursued by the beneficiary, and again he will guide him. There is also facility for the call to help line number. There is also facility for the case reporting, in which female health worker can write a name, which type of disease she have, and case name vigata, and if she can take picture of the concerned beneficiaries. There is a facility of the synchronized data here. As sir raised question, there is availability of the connectivity. So whenever female health worker come to the PHC, there is Wi-Fi is also connected. So she synchronizes the data is uploaded. Update contents here. There is also facility for the update contents here. So it's web-based dashboard. How many active users, how many inactive users, which type of contents they are shown for how many times. So project outcomes, audio-visual IEC is having more effect on the behavior change. Health workers does not have to remember anything. Updated audio-video PPTs can be uploaded instantly without any extra cost. Health workers does not have to carry any extra IC materials, and online monitoring of the all IC materials at all supervisory level through the dashboard. Project outputs till date 5,000, more than 5,000 beneficiaries had taken view of these tablets. Challenges we face, device with vernacular language facility. So we purchased, I think, more than 17 tablets. More than 90% of female health workers were first time users of the touchscreen devices. How to take photo, they are also not knowing how to take photo. Finalization of content is also a big thing. It's taken by the UNICEF and our NHL Medical College. Typing in Gujarati is also a big issue for the female health worker. They didn't know difference between the touch and press. Replicability. Scalability. This project is not limited for the only displaying IEC to the beneficiaries. Further, we are going towards the data collection, means real-time data collection from the field and data entry in the eMamta or MCTS server. So this device is also used for that. And third thing is data conversions. I think in any department, in my department also, there are different health programs. There's school health department programs, sickle cell program, ANC, family health surveys. So different surveys are same, but we are collecting different data from same populations, and it increases our multiple data entry and reporting single time. And also we can think that there is a data convergence in which the UNICEF also stakeholder here with, and we have developed one mini data center at District Panchayat, Sabarkantha, in which the all family health survey data and eMamta data, then we are hosted it, and we utilize it for the ICS department, means Women and Child Development department, and plus School Education department. Okay, thank you. Tablet is purchased under the Backward Region Grant Fund provided from the Government of India. Yes, pardon? BRGF finished from current year, this budget sanction in the last year, 14-15. We purchased the tablets through e-tendering with software, lifetime. Next year, please answer.
District, so